Donor-advised funds have become one of the fastest growing forms of philanthropy in the United States. But if you don't know, a donor-advised fund is just like a savings account, but for charity. You put money in, choose how the money is invested, and then use it to support the causes you care about. So if you're someone who wants to be more intentional with your giving, wants to organize and track all your giving in one place, wants to incorporate giving into your financial plan, and wants to save more on your tax bill, we built Daffy to be the donor-advised fund for you. But if you're not sure whether Daffy is right for you, here are the 3 things you need to know. First, let's talk about the ease of use. Over the last 10 years, we have seen so much innovation in fintech. Innovation to help people spend better, save better, and invest better. We asked ourselves, why can't we use the same technology to help people give better? That's why one of the first things we got to work on is a full-featured native mobile app. And I'm proud to say that Daffy was the first full-featured donor-advised fund in the App Store. One thing our members love the most about our iOS app is that you can make donations from your phone whenever you feel inspired. So in cases where you read about a crisis in the news, or your child's booster club is asking for donations, or your church is waiting for your tithe, Daffy members don't have to fumble for cash or jot themselves a note or feel uncomfortable declining in the moment. They can donate from their phone and know that they have the funds available. At Daffy, we take product design very seriously, and we are always talking to our members about what features they love. One of the simplest ways we found to delight our members is by making it easy for them to find their tax receipts anytime they need them. At Daffy, your tax summary is always up to date and always available for download in either PDF or CSV format. This is just one of the many examples of how we are constantly iterating and releasing new features to better the giving experience for our members. Second, let's talk about how easy it is to get started with Daffy. Something you'll notice as you look at other donor-advised fund providers is that the minimum amounts just to open an account can be hefty, often requiring significant upfront contributions that are frankly out of reach for the everyday donor. For example, even Vanguard, an amazing firm which is known for its affordable investment options, has a $25,000 minimum to open up an account. So as Alejandro and I designed Daffy, our goal was to not only make donor-advised funds easy to use, but to also make them a lot more affordable for the everyday person, and not just the ultra-wealthy. That's why at Daffy there is no minimum to get started, and accounts are free for balances under $100. And we have an industry-low donation minimum of just $18. Third, let's talk about fees. In addition to the high minimums at many donor-advised funds, the fees to maintain a donor-advised fund at traditional providers really add up and are much higher than people expect. Traditionally, donor-advised fund providers make money by charging a percentage of the assets on the account, leading them to have an unfortunate conflict of interest. The fact is, every time you donate money to charity, they lose revenue. This is unfortunately another reason they focus primarily on high net worth individuals with very large accounts. We are committed to changing this. Daffy charges a simple, flat monthly membership fee starting at only $3 a month. And this was a conscious decision we made building the platform, dedicating it to getting more money out to charity rather than getting more money from you for fees. At Daffy, we're proud of the new features and innovations we have brought to this sleepy donor-advised fund market. Here are a few of the innovations that we've made at Daffy since we launched. 1. You can choose on Daffy from one of our many pre-approved portfolios, or request a custom portfolio to match your investment goals and giving timeline. Our custom portfolios let you pick from over 460 different low-cost ETFs in over 100 quintillion different options. Yes, I just said quintillion. It's fun and totally a normal thing to do. Additionally, Daffy fully supports the ability to contribute and invest in crypto. We support contributing over 200 different coins. And our crypto portfolios include both pure Bitcoin and Ethereum options that are held at Coinbase. We also include diversified portfolios using ETFs from Bitwise Investments. 2. Daffy is built with families in mind. When we introduced Daffy for Families in October of 2022, we wanted to make it easy for you to invite anyone you consider family to your fund. That way, whenever a family member is inspired to give, they can request donations for your approval. Plus, they receive notifications when anyone else on the fund makes a donation. You can even add your financial advisor to your fund for additional support. 3. You can raise money for the organizations and causes you support using Daffy Campaigns. And there's no additional cost. We've added the unique ability for you to start campaigns that can support up to 6 organizations and give your donors the ability to choose which charity they give to. You can match donations dollar for dollar using the existing funds in your account. And you can even assign impact units so that people know when they donate that they're having a real impact on people's lives. Now, if you're ready to make giving easier and more impactful, you can check us out at daffy.org to learn more and get started. We will help you be more generous more often.